Hey guys, Sam here, AP Computer Science 6th period, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to decrypt another code. However, this time it's going to be a little bit more advanced. Once again, it's from my friend Byron. His code is AP Computer Science. It's a great class to be in, and I'm very happy that I'm taking it. Below the message, he's given us some pretty big numbers, not what we're used to. Last video, the numbers were a lot smaller and simpler. And along with the numbers, we're given an equation, x squared plus 2. So I'll explain that all in a little bit. Right now, I'm going to get into the function because we have some new additions. One of those new additions is the password feature. So like all our other functions, we start off public static void main string args, but then we add a scanner this time. So scanner keybound input, which basically allows me to type in the console. I'll show you here. Enter password. I can just type in here, which is pretty cool. But what should I be typing there? The password, obviously, because I don't want to get it wrong. It's my password. I should know it. And basically with this password, we're for the password we're using an if-else statement. So if I get the password correctly, all this information is unlocked. However, if I get it wrong, anything but the password, we're given an incorrect password. So let me clear that. Say we get the password correctly, we're unlocked all this information. But what is this information, you may ask? So like our other program, system.out.println, this time we're going to be using these numbers in this equation to get our base numbers to find out the secret code underneath this main code. So for the decryption function, we're going to take the inverse function of his equation, so get x by itself, and by doing that we're going to have to subtract by 2 and then square root. So you can see I put that in there right here because this is my 4th attempt on the video. I already have it all set up here. Take a 627, plug it in right here, subtract by 2, square root, and the computer basically does all the work for us. So let's see how it looks. Password, enter. Look at that, all our numbers right where we want them. So what do we do with these numbers? Good question. I'm going to open up a new, actually I'm gonna need to write these numbers down. Give me 1 second, just because it won't go on the other screen. 25, 38, 48, 43. And notice that all these numbers are whole numbers. That means the math was all correct. That means Byron's math was correct and my math was correct. So our secret code should come out correctly. So I set up I already put Byron's code in right here, put the numbers below, and I have this is my old secret code, so we're gonna put these new numbers in. But basically we put these numbers in and Byron's code should come out. Also, just to mention, these are all decryption functions. So this is the inverse, right? In my code I sent to Byron, I had to get the encryption and decryption. So this is the number, I square it and then add 5, and I take all that, which comes out 489, and then I subtract 5 and then square root it. So these are all decryptions, not encryptions, just to clarify. So we have his code, we have the numbers set up correctly. Let's just plug these in. So we have 25, 38, 48, 43, 21, 81, 38. Oops, they're not. Then we're gonna have to make a copy of this line. shoot. You have to make more lines because he has more numbers than I did. I think that'll do it. We had 38, and then another 38, and then I put an extra one. This last one is, if I can click right, this last one is 48. So let's test it out. Let's run our function. And here we go. God is good. Thank you for that, Byron. And that is how you decrypt a code, and more advanced code with an equation such as x squared plus 2, along with protecting your codes with a password. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope to see you on the next one. See you guys.